Have you ever considered going vegan? Well, today we're exploring the benefits of adopting a vegan lifestyle. Not just for your personal health, but also for the broader environmental and societal impacts. Research has shown that going vegan can reduce the risk of serious health conditions like cardiac events, certain cancers, type 2 diabetes, and stroke. It's also a great way to regulate metabolism, manage weight, and mitigate hypertension. But the benefits go beyond individual health. According to a recent report from the United Nations, it's essential to shift away from a heavy reliance on animal products due to their significant environmental impact. It's astounding to think that over half of the world's crops are consumed by animals raised for food, leading to deforestation and resource depletion. Meanwhile, approximately 850 million people suffer from undernourishment. Adopting a vegan lifestyle can alleviate the strain on natural resources and reduce the need for agricultural expansion to accommodate growing meat demands. Of course, not everyone goes vegan purely for environmental reasons. Many are primarily motivated by personal health. Scientific studies have shown that a vegan diet offers superior nutritional benefits, providing ample fiber, potassium, antioxidants, and folate. Physicians and specialists highly recommend it for weight loss, and it outperforms other diets in research studies. What's more, a vegan diet can stabilize blood sugar levels, improve kidney function, and alleviate arthritic pains due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Unfortunately, despite all these benefits, social stigma and misconceptions persist. But by educating ourselves on the scientific evidence supporting the benefits of a vegan lifestyle, we can counter these misconceptions. Addressing concerns about nutrient deficiencies by highlighting alternative sources of protein and calcium can also help dispel these myths. And when faced with social stigma, focusing on personal taste preferences or simply enjoying plant-based options without engaging in ideological debates can help navigate social situations gracefully. So, why not give it a shot? Try a vegan diet for a week and observe the changes. Education and preparation are key when embarking on this journey. By dispelling myths and misconceptions, we can confidently embrace a lifestyle that aligns with our health, environmental, and ethical values. In the next chapter, we'll tackle common myths surrounding veganism and provide evidence-based rebuttals to empower your vegan journey. Stay tuned.